Once Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Imagine being able to earn a prestigious UK master's degree without ever leaving your home country. No visa applications, no high travel expenses, no time away from your family or job. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship Program, a golden opportunity that connects the brightest mind across the Commonwealth with world class education right at their fingertips. In this comprehensive video, I will dive deep into everything you need to know about the Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship. I will cover what the scholarship is and who offers it, the objectives and impacts of the program, eligibility criteria, available courses and UK universities, how the distance learning model works, application procedure step by step, spotting documents and tips for a strong application, deadlines and selection timeline, and finally, why you should apply today. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, sit back and get ready to unlock life-changing opportunity. What is the Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship Program? The Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship Program is a flagship initiative of the UK government funded by the UK Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office. This program enables talented and motivated individuals from the eligible low and middle income Commonwealth countries to study for a UK master's degree remotely. It was launched to make a high quality UK education more accessible to the students who are unable to study in the UK due to financial, personal, or professional reasons. Instead of relocating, scholars study from the comfort of their homes using cutting edge online platforms and resources provided by the top UK universities. Key features of these scholarships: fully funded, covers all tuition fees, online study mode, flexible and remote, prestigious UK qualification, part-time structure, continue working or fulfilling family responsibilities. Program objective: the Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship are the part of UK's commitment to the international development and global education. They aim to 1. Promote equity and inclusion in education. 2. Support individuals who will make a real impact in their home countries. 3. Strengthen professionals and leadership capabilities of individuals from developing countries. 4. Contribute to the development needs of the Commonwealth countries by supporting talented individuals in key sectors. This is not just a scholarship, it's a powerful tool for empowerment, capacity building, and transformation. Eligible countries: you must be a citizen or have refugee status in one of the eligible Commonwealth countries. As of now, the list includes, but it is not limited to, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Sri Lanka, Malawi, Cameroon, Zambia, Mozambique, Lesotho, Sierra Leone, and others. For the full list eligible country, always check the official Commonwealth Scholarship Commission website. Who can apply? To apply, you must be a citizen of or have been granted refugee status by an eligible Commonwealth country or be a British protected person. Be permanent resident in an eligible Commonwealth country. Hold at least a first degree of at least upper second class standard. In some cases, a lower qualification with relevant experience may be considered. Be unable to afford to study the courses without this scholarship. Meet the specific academic and English language requirements of the chosen university. Be committed to returning and working in your home country after completing the degree. Courses and university. A wide range of UK universities participating in the Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship Scheme. Each year, universities apply to the Commonwealth Government Scholarship to offer specific courses under this scheme. These courses are carefully designed for online or blended learning, professionally relevant, aligned with the developmental needs of the participating countries. Common fields of studies includes public health, education, sustainable development, environmental sciences, data sciences, human rights and law, agriculture and rural developments, public policy, business and management, and climate change. Some of the participating universities include University of Edinburgh, University of London, University of Manchester, University of York, University of Nottingham, University of Portsmouth, Each university has its own set of eligible distance learning programs under the scholarship, so it is essential to check the official list published each year. How does distance learning work? Distance learning with a UK university is a flexible, interactive experience. Here is how it works. Online portals give access to recorded lecture, live webinar, reading material, and discussion forum. Assignments are submitted online. Some programs may include occasional in-person workshop or exam at British Council centers or local partners institutions. Student support team are available to guide you through your academic journey. Many students complete their masters in 2 to 3 years studying part-time while balancing other life commitments. How to apply? Here is an application process simplified. 1. Choose a course and university. Visit the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission website. Check the list of approved distance learning courses and their corresponding universities. Visit the university website to ensure you meet their eligibility requirements. 2. Apply to the university. Complete the university's own admission process for the selected course. 3. Apply for the scholarship. Complete the separate Commonwealth Distance Learning Scholarship application form on the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission online application system. Note, you must apply to both university and for the scholarship separately. 4. Prepare supporting document. Academic transcripts and degree certificates, proof of English language proficiency if required. In many cases, proof of English language proficiency is not required. 2 references, academic or professional, development impact statement, personal statement, work experience or CV if applicable. 5. Submit your application. Make sure to submit before the deadline. Late applications are not accepted. How to craft a winning application, tips for success. Here is how to make your application stand out. Development impact statement. This is the heart of your application. Explain how your chosen course will help solve real problems in your country. Be specific. Personal motivation. Share your story. Why are you passionate about your field? How will this degree help you grow personally and professionally? Relevant experience, highlighting leadership roles, community work, research, or projects you have been involved in. Clear career plan, outline what you plan to do after completing the degree, where, how, and who you aim to impact. Be honest, be inspiring, and be detailed. Deadlines and timeline. The call for application usually open between March and April. The deadline is typically in late May and June. Universities may have their own deadlines, which can be before or after the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission deadline. Double check the each one. Selected candidates are usually informed by June or July, and courses begin as per the university academic calendar, typically in September or October. What happens after the degree? This scholarship is designed for individuals who will go back and contribute to development in their home countries. After graduation, scholars join a vast network and Commonwealth alumni working in education, government, NGOs, research, and businesses. You will have the tools, network, and confidence to lead change. This scholarship changed my life. I completed my master's in public health while working at a local NGO. I have now scaled up our maternal health program to 5 more regions. Why you should apply? If you are passionate about your field, committed to social impact, looking for flexible way to get a world-class master degree and from an eligible Commonwealth country, then this scholarship is meant for you. Don't let finances or borders hold back your dreams. Apply, believe, and achieve. This is your chance to bring the world best education right to your doorstep. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with others who might benefit from it. And remember, great things never come from comfort zone. Start your Commonwealth scholarship journey today.